the Nitro gang and the gas gang has fun, guys. We don't just come out here and start an RC and whatever, no. We find ourselves a giant snowman, we strap it into the gas Rampage, and then we go into the snow, baby. We're gonna drag this thing around. What's up, guys? We got two gas RCs. Chris over there eating pizza. How's the pizza, bro? You enjoying the pizza?
Excellent, excellent.
Oh man, it looks like it's gone. You didn't save any for the viewers.
It's gone.
Bro, I know you just showed up and saw my Rampage right there strapped into the Snowman. What do you think is gonna happen?
Total carnage.
You ever seen anything like this?
No.
We all want to know what's gonna happen with this right there. Yep, my Redcat Rampage 4-wheel drive drift edition, baby, is strapped in. We're using the supplied equipment, and by that I mean basically just a power line. You see that? I have it tied into the bumper. And then we're gonna drag this around, hopefully on that snow. Dude, do you think my Redcat's waterproof? I honestly don't know.
I think so.
This does have the stock servos, I think, but we do have a kill switch, so we're gonna find out. Time to start up the Redcat Drift Snowman edition, baby. All right, my Redcat starts at all times, no matter what. As long as you prime it correctly, that is. Let's do this. Oh yeah. Are your shoes waterproof?
Yeah.
I don't know, man. My Nikes are not waterproof.
I think so.
We got no grip. Go back
Okay.
Let it cool down. I have brake pad wear.
Oh, that's what you were saying a second ago?
Yeah. LOSI LST 2, baby! Snow edition! And this snow is, it's like digging in. Smells like Nitro, bro! Oh, yeah! Yo, you remember those videos from the early 2000s, XXX-MAIN videos? The RC action videos, you remember those or no?
No. RC action, yes, yes.
They used to be XXX-MAIN video titles on VCR tape years ago. No?
Good fucking morning. To fucking 40 having said the fuck out. I don't want to hear this once a day. Come on, let's get big. Come on.
I think your slipper is loose. Something's very loose. Come back, come back. Something is very loose. Something feels like it's loose because too much RPM and not enough wheel action. I see you got some titanium gears on this.
Yeah, that's the only one.
Man, you're not playing around, bro. Yeah, I think there's, did you eliminate the whole, oh no, the slipper pack is right here. Yeah, the slipper pack is here. seems fine. I don't know.
First time after it being repaired running right now, so.
Yeah. Nitro.
So fine, but her breath is like, ooh. She say she wanna dance, but she don't know how to woo. I'm iced out, ooh, looking like a star. Ooh. Her name is Jenny, ooh, bitch don't have no panties. Ooh. I'm Steph Curry, when I hit the three, I hit the...
What's up?
I don't want to hear this once a day. Come on.